A car battery never waits for a good time to die. It happens when you are late, when it is raining, when the parking lot is empty, or when your phone is already on 12%. That is why a good jump starter is one of those tools you hope you never need, but you are very glad to have when the day goes sideways. The best ones today are not the giant garage boxes people used to drag around. Some are small enough for a glove box, but still strong enough to bring an SUV, truck, or diesel engine back to life. Today, we are counting down the best car jump starters to keep in your vehicle. Six, Noco Boost Plus GB40. This is the one many people picture when they think of a modern compact jump starter. It is small, clean, easy to store, and made for regular drivers who want a reliable emergency tool without carrying around a big battery box. The big reason this model is so popular is balance. It gives you 1,000 amps of peak current, which is strong enough for gas engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters. That covers a huge number of everyday cars, smaller SUVs, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, and light trucks. The best part is how simple it feels. You do not need to be a mechanic to understand why this is useful. It has built-in protection for spark-proof connections and reverse polarity, which means it is designed to help prevent problems if you accidentally connect the clamps the wrong way. That is a big deal for drivers who get nervous around batteries. It also works as a basic power bank and includes a built-in flashlight, which is helpful when the battery dies at night. And honestly, that is usually when car problems like to show up, because cars have a weird sense of humor. The GB40 is not the strongest jump starter on this list, and it is not the best choice for big diesel trucks or repeated shop use. But for most daily drivers, it hits a very sweet spot. It is compact enough to keep in the glove box, strong enough for common vehicles, and built by one of the most trusted names in this category. If you drive a sedan, crossover, small SUV, or a regular gas-powered vehicle, this is one of the easiest picks to recommend. 5. Wolfbox Mega Volt 24. This one is for drivers who want more than just a quick emergency jump. The Wolfbox Mega Volt 24 is more like a road trip power tool than a simple battery booster. The headline number is 4,000 amps of peak current, which puts it in a much stronger class than the small everyday models. It is rated for large gas and diesel engines, and that makes it a better fit for trucks, SUVs, campers, boats, and people who take longer trips away from easy help. But the thing that really makes it stand out is the battery capacity. With an 88.8 watt-hour battery and 65-watt USB-C fast charging, it can also work as a serious power bank. That means it can charge phones, tablets, and even some laptops, depending on the device. For survival-minded drivers, campers, and road trippers, that extra power matters. Think about it this way. A basic jump starter gets your car running. This one can also help keep your electronics alive when you are sitting at a campsite, stuck during a delay, or dealing with an emergency where your phone is your lifeline. The trade-off is size. It is not as tiny as the Noco GB40, and it is more tool-like than pocket-friendly. But that is the point. You get more power, more battery, and more flexibility. This is a smart pick for someone who drives a larger vehicle, takes long highway trips, camps, overlands, or just wants one device that can handle both vehicle starting and backup charging. If you want a jump starter that feels ready for more serious situations, the Mega Volt 24 is one of the strongest options here. 4. Gooloo GP2000. This is the value pick for people who want strong power without jumping straight into premium pricing. The Gooloo GP2000 brings 2,000 amps of peak current, which gives it more headroom than smaller 1,000 amp jump starters. It is made for 12-volt vehicles and is a good match for many cars, SUVs, pickups, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. What makes this model interesting is the price-to-power ratio. You're getting a lot of starting power for the money, and that makes it attractive for buyers who want something stronger than a tiny emergency pack, but still affordable enough to put in the trunk and forget about it until needed. It also doubles as a power bank, so it can charge small electronics through USB. That might not sound exciting until your car battery is dead and your phone battery is low at the same time. Then suddenly, it becomes very exciting. One thing to watch with the GP2000 is the exact engine rating on the listing you buy. Some listings show higher gas and diesel ratings, while Gooloo's current product pages may show different limits depending on the version and region. So before buying, check the exact Amazon product page and match it to your vehicle. That said, this is still one of the best options for budget-conscious buyers who want real starting power. It is not as premium feeling as some Noco models, and it may not be the one I would pick for constant shop use. But for normal drivers who want affordable backup, it makes a lot of sense. If you want strong numbers without spending too much, the GP2000 is the practical middle ground choice. 3. Noco Boost X GBX45. This is where the list starts to feel more premium. The Noco Boost X GBX45 is like the bigger, faster, more modern sibling of the GB40. It steps up to 1250 amps of peak current and is rated for gas engines up to 6.5 liters and diesel engines up to 4.0 liters. That extra power might not sound huge on paper, but in real life, it can matter when the battery is deeply drained or the weather is cold. Cold weather is one of the big enemies of car batteries. Engines become harder to turn over, batteries lose strength, and suddenly, a starter that worked fine in summer feels a little underpowered in winter. That is where having extra headroom is useful. The GBX45 also adds USB-C power delivery with up to 60 watts in and out. That means it can charge faster with the right charger, and it can also power more demanding devices than a basic USB port. For a driver who wants one emergency tool that can also handle phones, tablets, and some USB-C gear, that is a nice upgrade. It still keeps the safety features Noco is known for, including spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. That makes it beginner-friendly, which matters because most people are not using a jump starter on a sunny Saturday with plenty of time. They are using it when they are stressed, cold, late, or stuck somewhere annoying. The downside is that it costs more than basic options. If you only drive a small car and just want cheap insurance, this might be more than you need. But if you have a mid-sized truck, large SUV, or you live somewhere with rough winters, the GBX45 gives you a better safety cushion. Before we get to the final two, subscribe to All About Survival for more gear guides that help you stay ready before problems happen. 2. AstroAI S8. This is the budget-friendly pick for people who want simple emergency backup without paying premium brand prices. The AstroAI S8 is rated at 1500 amps and is commonly listed for gas engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters. That makes it a strong fit for many everyday vehicles, especially daily drivers, compact SUVs, motorcycles, and smaller trucks. The biggest reason to consider this one is value. It usually costs less than many big-name jump starters, but it still gives you the core features most people actually need. You get the battery booster, safety protections, a flashlight, and power bank function in a compact package. This is the kind of jump starter you buy for peace of mind. You charge it, put it in the car, and hope it just sits there forever. And if the battery dies at work, school, the store, or in the driveway, you have a way to get moving without waiting around. It is not the most premium model here. The casing, clamps, and overall feel may not match higher-end options. It is also not the jump starter I would choose for very large engines or repeated heavy-duty use. But that is not really its job. The job is to be affordable backup for normal drivers. And for that, it does well. If you are buying your first jump starter and you do not want to spend too much, the AstroAI S8 is one of the easiest entry-level choices. It gives you enough power for common vehicles. It is small enough to store easily, and it covers the basic emergency features that matter most. For occasional use, strict budgets, and daily driver insurance, this is a very practical pick. 1. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC325. The final pick is different from the others because it feels less like a gadget and more like a tool. The Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC325 is made for people who care about reliability, cable reach, and clamp quality. On paper, it may not look as flashy as the huge peak amp models, But in real-world use, design matters. A jump starter is only helpful if the clamps can reach, grip well, and make a solid connection. That is where this one stands out. It has long 24-inch cables and full-size style clamps, which can make a big difference when battery terminals are tucked away in awkward spots. Some vehicles do not give you much room under the hood, and short cables can turn a simple jump into a frustrating puzzle. This model also includes useful safety protections, USB outlets, a work light, and a storage case. It is still portable, but it is clearly aimed at people who want something closer to a shop-grade emergency tool. It is a great choice for enthusiasts, people who help others often, or drivers who want a jump starter that feels built for real use instead of just looking good on a spec sheet. The trade-off is that it is not the smallest or cheapest option. If all you need is something tiny for a compact car, the AstroAI or Noco GB40 may make more sense. But if you want longer leads, stronger clamps, and a more practical layout for awkward battery locations, the JNC325 deserves a top spot. So, which one should you buy? If you want the best everyday compact option, go with the Noco GB40. If you want road trip power and big battery capacity, look at the Wolfbox Mega Volt 24. For strong value, the Gooloo GP2000 is hard to ignore. If you live somewhere cold or drive a bigger SUV or truck, the Noco GBX45 gives you more breathing room. For the cheapest solid backup, the AstroAI S8 is a smart pick. And if you want the most practical tool-like design with better cable reach, the Clore JNC325 is the one to look at first. A jump starter is not exciting until the exact moment you need it. Then it becomes one of the best things you ever bought. Watch the next All About Survival video to build a smarter emergency kit for your vehicle.